We are back at RLS working on another machine. We have this Ranger 1000 behind us. Avery's been working on this thing behind the scenes, and hopefully today we can finish it on up. This Ranger came into the shop with an issue. I think something to do with the clutches. I'm not entirely sure because, again, Avery's been working on this, but from what I can tell, we were having some clutch issues. This machine has moved around just a little bit. Currently, this is where we're at. Wheel is off in order to access the clutch cover and the belt and everything else that we were doing inside there. Avery has the clutch all installed. What we need to do now is install this belt, tighten everything up, make sure this solved our issue, give her a little bit of a wash, and then we should be all good to go. Like I said, Avery already has everything down here taken all apart, so it makes our life a lot easier. We need to go ahead and get a flashlight. All right, I got some light up in here. Let's put the belt on. Make sure when you put your belt on, you can read what it says. If it's this way, you're gonna be putting your belt on the wrong way. There we go, belt is now in here. Let's go ahead and loosen up this clutch tool. Now let's go ahead and get this thing tightened up. Looks like that is all tight. Everything looks like it's still seated good. Let's go ahead and fire up the machine and see how this is looking. Okay, let's go check. And it is not spinning. Looks good. Let's toss everything back together and then go ahead and give this thing an actual road test. We have the air filter already in right here. Give it a quick blowout. Let's go ahead and give this a quick blowout too. A little bit better. Perfect. Let's test this thing out and see how it goes. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing moved on out of here. A little bit of a tight squeeze is always in the shop. Alrighty, let's go take this thing for a quick tow. So yeah, put our seatbelt on. There we go. Check both ways for traffic. Got some cars coming up here. Man, I got a lot of traffic right now, holy cow. All right, let's go. Okay, we're just gonna try to break this belt in. Make sure we don't hear anything on the D-cell. Nope. A beautiful night out tonight, but a little hot too. So we're just gonna go ahead. What we're trying to do right now is we're just trying to try to wear the belt in a little bit for the customer, listen for some noises real quick, and then yeah, just enjoy a little bit of a night ride. So it might take a little while. I'm not gonna show you guys the whole thing, but you get the idea. All right, time for me to have some fun. That was a very successful test ride. This belt feels great. Got a couple miles on it for the customer. So that way, when they come pick it up, it's all nicely worn in. We're gonna go ahead and detail this thing up, and then we'll let the customer know that it's ready to be picked up. All right, this machine is all finished up and detailed up, ready to go back to its owner. We didn't see a whole lot on this side-by-side. Avery mainly took care of it, but another one out of the shop. That's it for this machine. We'll see you guys next time.